Hi guys, sorry my table's so cluttered here, I just keep adding stuff to it. I'm going to show you my little invention here. Homemade way to use my Sharpmaker stone for the Fold-A-V system. I basically have unclipped the Fold-A-V and laid the stone using the back rod of the Fold-A-V as a guide. We're just going to And yes, I am not using the same grits here. And actually, because of that, I'm going to increase how many I do on this side to try and get a little bit more of a burr setup than I normally would, because this is going to take off a good amount. Sorry, it's a little weird. As this thing gets sharper, it's wanting to snag the plastic if I don't do this perfectly, and like I said before, I don't normally sharpen around the camera, but we're going to see how well this is working here in a minute. Okay, well it's really grabbing the plastic, I don't know. Okay, that worked like a dream. That really worked like a dream. Now the other thing I want to find is, can I do this freehand? Sorry if this is all off camera or whatever. This is my first shot. It's sharpening this thing. Oh yeah, totally off camera. See if I totally wrecked my edge or anything. I can actually freehand sharpen normally, but well, I'll tell you this, I don't think that helped. I don't think that helped at all. I think I went and changed my angle. Still really sharp. Well, scratch that. Most of this actually, honestly, I think is me not being able to know what angle to use, cutting with this chisel grind, because you've got to cut the paper at a slightly different angle, and I am totally not ready for it. But I am thinking there's a couple of pieces of my edge that I didn't do any help to. Trying to do that particular freehand method, I recommend if you're freehanding with the Sharpmaker that you actually hook the stones into the Sharpmaker the way they're supposed to go. It makes life easier. But anyway, you got to see me learn that lesson, so now we know. We're going to go ahead and go back to this method because it seemed to be the thing that was helping the most. This probably won't even upload at this point. But oh well. Anyway, there's some things on chisel grind sharpening. Let's see if this actually has helped or not. Heck yeah. That was amazing. I've got a burr in there somewhere. I've got a rough spot in my edge. But anyway. Can we push cut? No, we can't. Why not? It's awkward because I thought... well, there it seems to be doing it okay. I mean, as you can see, it's cutting like a chisel grind. And it's a very toothy edge. Anyway, that's about enough of that. Some ideas on chisel sharpening. This probably won't even upload, so I'll probably have to do it again. But thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Zube signing out.